Well, hello. Welcome back to Minimax 1030R build with me, Scott. I have come onto the workbench and I noticed Machine Work Fairies left me some goodies. Got these little components right here. These are these right here. Bearing torque tubes. They're made out of polyurethane plastic, real hard plastic. And these are going to be the bushings for my control rods. You can see this sketch right here. Take the bushings, and there's the stick right there. And they turned out well, and they turned out tight. There's supposed to be a tight fit on there, and they are, which is good. I was worried about that. Sometimes a bit of wobble it out, but we got a really good tight fit there. But it goes like that, and the other one goes up here. And the airline yoke goes on there. And it shows that being stuck together with one angle bracket, which I don't see that being a good thing. I'm going to weld it right here instead. Actually, it goes on the other side of this, but I'm going to weld that on there. And I need to drill a hole in it still for this rear keeper bushing, this thrust collar. I got the front hole drilled. Actually got it over there at the workbench. The front hole drilled, and we're going to make the little angle brackets here out of this angle bar and drill some holes in the stick itself. I can't install any of this because I am missing this thrust collar. So none of this can be installed. Nor do I have these screws. Nor do I have these metal brackets. I just got off the phone with Dave, letting him know, hey, I need some stuff. I'm running into problems. But meanwhile, we'll get it all prefabbed. We'll get these angle bars made. And I can install the angle bars if I got the right bolts there. They're little angles that hold the airline cables. So stick around and we'll make some more stuff here. See, I made a little rig here, you know, for the position it's in so it won't move and all that. And I've already pre-drilled this hole here. This is where the stick is actually going to hook into it. And I just got one hole to drill, a 3/8 drill, 3/8 hole. And they don't have to be lined up, but I'm going to line them up. Okay, here we go. I just eyeballed the center of it, but she's pretty daggone true. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to work fine. All right, so when I get that collar, I can put it on here. Let's come over here. All right, so I did it again. Keep saying so, don't I? Little burrs off here. All right, so this goes like this. This goes like that. And this goes like that. And this stick, I gotta drill a hole in that. I gotta drill 2 holes right here. It will go right here. So let me go drill that. These are both 3/16 holes. 3/8 in, 1.5 inches in. Can't do nothing further with this except weld this piece up. When I do, it's going to be at it'll be off against this piece here. I have to wait till I put the bushing on, then mark it. All right. So we'll put this in the box and see what happens next. Along with these two here go to the airline flaperons, I believe. All right, so these two little brackets here. Okay, I have these little pieces built, and I can put them on if I have the nuts and bolts. Let me see here. And 3/5A bolt. And 3/5A bolt. That's a little small one, I think. I believe it's this one. And 3/5. Nope, it's gonna be the short one. And 3/5. There we go. And we got two of them. This little bolt gauge, and bolt gauge is handy. All right, it shows that having two washers, two nuts. I don't know which washers go where. I can see, let me see if I even have these washers. Might not be the right washers. AN 970. Nope, I don't have them, so I can't even put that on. So you had to bear with me. I am going to get this workbench cleaned up. Put a lot of stuff in the box that's not getting worked on. And I guess we'll start working on the tailplane and the vertical stabilizer and stuff like that. I think I have wood for that. It doesn't take a lot of metal, but anyway, hopefully there's some interesting stuff. It's neat building all these little parts like in a machine shop, and most of it's coming out pretty good. Luckily, I got the tools and equipment to do it. You're thinking about doing, I tell you, there's a lot of little meticulous stuff here. And it's so small, I mean, that doesn't leave you a lot of room for busting up and stuff. Most of my life as a mechanic, I've come to learn I want stuff a little bit stronger than you think it might need to be. But this is stuff that that's why the seat cover comes off. So the seat got them two bolts, so you can pull it up, look underneath there, make sure your stuff's still in good shape. So I hope y'all have a great evening. We'll be back again soon, and we'll start on another section of the plane, and hopefully we get something done. Take care, guys. Good night.